Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Goodbudget account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in goodbudget.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Goodbudget website. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and then proceed with your credentials and you will be logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, if you wish to change your password, click on My Household at the top right corner. Now from the My Household page, you will see your current password as well as the new password section underneath Change Your Password. So type in your current password first and then enter your desired new password underneath within the new password section. You can then click on the Save button and your new password will be changed right away. You can then use your newly set password along with your original email address or username in order to log into your account on Goodbudget in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Goodbudget. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.